Time is running out, a ghost keeping me alive. I get what he means, you have to survive.
8 o'clock in the morning, too hard to give, too hard to live. I can't stop dreaming, do you know what I mean? You make up your angry eyes, you stay hidden, but I see you smile. I wanna stay inside your arms, I want to feel fine. 20 minutes and I'm ready, it's not raining today. I'm late and I must hurry, welcome to my way. I don't wanna wear this, I'm sorry, it's not raining today. Kill the light, I can see.
Bon, aujourd'hui c'est pas terrible, on a connu mieux.
You know I'm on the road, we are playing tonight. Ever since this morning, your kiss is on my skin. What's your game tonight? Will you talk to me? You know I need you to make it real. Time is running out, the ghost keeping me alive. All the leaves are brown.
Passed along the way. Well, I got down on my knees, and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher like the cold. He knows I'm gonna stay.
On your eyes, preaching to me, saying you sympathize. Misunderstanding, I'm alright. It's you that needs the glasses. Why can't you see that I am okay? You take more drugs than me. Dew in your cheek, I can't believe you put me in a straight jacket. They tried to put me on Ritalin, visions are calming me down. They tried to put me on Ritalin, hoping I don't make a sound. Maybe I just need to go to California.
C'est le 4e jour là, le soleil revient.
The sun is back. C'est encore un peu gris mais bon, les beaux jours arrivent.
Là on est dans le quartier hispanique.
Le sale arrive pour de bon.
Respect you when you're such a twat. What you shocked at, it's a matter of fact. And usually I won't listen to you, but when my future's involved, I've got a responsibility to sit down and think what I should do. Shout fuck him and fuck her and fuck you too. They tried to put me on Ritalin, visions are calming me down. They tried to put me on Ritalin, hoping I don't make a sound. They tried to put me on Ritalin, visions are calming me down.
essaie d'accéder à la cascade, mais ça devient très compliqué parce que ça glisse à mort. Regardez-moi ça. C'est vraiment abusé là. En fait, il y a les gouttes de la cascade qui sont en train de nous éclabousser et ça gèle sur le sol. Là, c'est la mission, vraiment. Là, c'est vraiment la mission, regardez-moi ça. C'est de la luge, on n'arrivera pas à redescendre par contre. On n'arrivera vraiment pas à redescendre, c'est... Ouais, je galère, hein. Je vais me péter la gueule, c'est obligé. Non, attendez, j'ai besoin d'aide, là. Wouhou!
C'est l'enfer. Putain, mais c'est tellement beau.
Il y a des arbres qui sont en travers de notre route. Alors là, faut les enjamber quoi.
Clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody, look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. The young people speaking their mind are getting so much resistance.
They said I'm anarchist, I'm anarchist, anarchist. Not a lot of other kids, anarchist, I'm anarchist, anarchist. Not a lot of other kids. They took my favorite old game set, and then they pawned my choice for Percocet. And then they tried to put toasted to my head. And then they choked me off a cliff, but I'm still not dead. I don't know where I am, I don't know where I am, I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am, I don't know where I am, don't know where I am. They said I'm anarchist, I'm anarchist, anarchist. Not a lot of other kids, anarchist, I'm anarchist, anarchist. Not a lot of other kids, anarchist, I'm anarchist, anarchist. Not a lot of other kids, anarchist, I'm anarchist, anarchist. Not a lot of other kids. but yours would look better than mine, 'cause you're out of my league. And I know that it's so cliche,